In this video, I'm going to show you how to finally bulk delete all Instagram archived stories once. This is the 2026 update that came out at the start of March. So I'm using an Android phone. What you want to do is go to your Instagram. You want to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right. And then you want to tap on the three lines in the top right. And you want to go to the section where it says archive. In here, you can see that I am on my stories archive. If I wanted to delete all of these all at once, I tap on the three dots, select stories, and you can see now in the top right, there's an option for delete all, and that's all there is to it.